So let's talk about how to buy crypto into your Binance account. Let's use BNB as a case study. Let's want to buy BNB into your Binance account. How to go about it? How to buy it from your local currency with your cash into your Binance account. So you have to watch this video to the end, step by step processes, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like the video and then comment. If you don't understand anything in the comment section, comment. So this thing here is a simple process, but if you get things wrong, it can actually go very wrong. If you get it wrong, it can actually go very wrong. That's why you have to pay attention and watch the video. Don't skip any part. Okay, so let's just dive right into the video right now. Review video. So now let's just go to Binance, our Binance account. So now I'm on my Binance account here, and then I click on wallet, and then I click on P2P, and I click on buy. That's where I'm buying it from. So what I'm actually buying, I'm not buying USDT. What I'm buying is BNB. So I click on BNB. All right. So I'm buying BNB. All right. So most times you will see no ads. So you have to click on sell and then click on buy again just to refresh the interface. All right. So here it is. All right. So now I have to choose the range I want to buy. All right, so you click on this little button here. I want to buy coin worth of 40,000. All right, around that range. So I'll click here, that button there, click here, and then click on bank transfer, then enter the range. Let me just say from 30,000 upward, and then click yes. So now it will filter the ads within that range and bring them up. So I click on the next one. All right, and then enter the amount in my local currency. Let me say 39,500. All right, so that I can have some transaction charges because that's the only amount that I'm going to use in that account. All right, so I'll put 39,800 rather. All right, so that's close, and then click on buy. So once I click on buy, I'll send the person message. I'll say I'll read the person terms and condition by clicking. I hope you saw where I clicked. I click on this little message box. All right, just to see the person's message or terms and condition. The person says no third party. Don't use company account to pay me. I don't accept third party. All right, this is just his own way to avoid fraudulent transaction. So I'll type in sending right away. All right. So now I'll click on transfer funds. This is the amount I'm sending to him, 38,000, and I'm sending to Kuda Bank 39,800. I copy the account number. I'm sending to Kuda. Look at his name. So I have to go to my bank app right now to send him the money, to send that person the money. All right. So I'll log onto my bank app right here. Okay, so I prefer performing this transaction on a bank app because bank apps, you can, once the transaction goes through, it has gone through, and you can always review the history of the transaction. I'm just speaking against using USD. Those persons that use USD, you can actually go back to check transaction history on USD. So now I can click transfer. You can see the amount on this account is 40,000. Then I'll search the bank here. So you know what to do. What you're just doing is sending the person the money. All right. So now I have to enter the amount 39,800. Right? Is that what is there? 39,800. So now most person put narration. Mind you, if you are living in a country like Nigeria where crypto is banned, please do not put crypto in the narration. So to protect both yourself and the person. So okay, I confirm the name 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗧𝗓, so that is confirmed. So I click on send, proceed, and that is sent. I've sent the money to this person. All right, so I have to go back on this transaction and click transfer fund. All right, so now what we'll be waiting for now is for this person to release the fund. So I'll just go to the message box and type again sent. All right, so now I'll have to give this person like 5 to 10 minutes. If in 5 to 10 minutes this person is yet to send the money, like is yet to release the fund, I'll have to go back to the message box. That's this point here, and click there and click on this button here to grab his number so that I can call him or her. Can call the person to alert the person that the transaction is on. All right, with this done, I can go ahead to do every other thing, and once there is any notification of the transaction, Binance will duly notify me. All right, as long as I'm on my phone. At this point of this video, I want to plead with you to please subscribe, all right, and like the video. It's the only thing that you have to do for me right now, and that will make me happy. All right, or that will encourage me to keep making videos like this. Just subscribe and like the video. Subscribe. All right, thank you. Let's continue. While waiting for this, I'm just gonna have to pause this video. All right, okay. Now while I was still explaining this, I just received a notification that the funds has been okay. Now can you see this guy have just released the funds, and that means he has confirmed the balance on his account, and then he has released funds. So this kind of person that does not wait for me to call them without responding, I do give them positive feedback because they actually did well, they are actually performing well, and then click done. Now this funds right now is on. Now I have to click and go out of the P2P. Now if I refresh, you can see here what's there is about $70.54 worth of BNB. All right, so now if you click on this spot wallet, you see that the coin that is on spot wallet, you can see that BNB is not among. That's because the BNB is at P2P wallet. So now what you have to do here now is click on transfer and click on transfer, P2P transfer, and then click on the coin you want to transfer. That's BNB. All right, so I'm transferring this BNB from P2P wallet to spot wallet so that I can transact with it at spot wallet. Then I click maximum, that's all the coin, and then I click transfer. All right, I've automatically transferred the coin from P2P to spot wallet. So click on spot wallet. You can see the total balance there is about 255 right there right now. So now it means that the coin there is ready to be used. So from here now, you can now decide if you want to transact it on Binance by swapping it to other coins, by buying other coins on Binance, or withdrawing it to your Trust wallet and swapping it with other coins. And that's the next video that I'm going to upload right now about how to buy the coin directly from your bank account into your Binance account, then to Trust wallet, and then swapping it into any token of your choice that you might want to swap it with. All right, so I believe at this point of this video you are already subscribed and you already like this video and you're ready for the next series. Go ahead to watch all other videos that I've produced. They are very educating and they will save you a lot. So thank you for watching. See you in my next one.